What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video, I will be going over starting an online business checklist. I will be going over 5 things that you should know when starting an online business that I didn't know, that nobody told me. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make some daily cash. Alright, so starting an online business checklist, guys. This is a few things that I didn't know when coming in. The first business that I joined was called MCA, Motor Clubs of America. If you've been marketing online, then you should know about this business. It was a roadside assistant business that was generating people $80 per commission. And I seen a lot of people making money with it, a lot of people having success with it. So I got started. Why I got started was because I was working a fast food restaurant making $7.75 an hour. I was in college. I was really broke, and at the time I was trying to make some extra money without dropping out of college and losing my job because it was, paying the bills at the time. But I wanted to make money where I could, relax and get away from my 9-to-5 job. So I searched online how to make money online, and MCA popped up. I seen a lot of results with it, and I got started. So I got started. I paid I think it was $40 to get started at the time. $40 I paid. My sponsor sent me this long email like, hey, thank you for working to the team. I didn't get no training. And after that was it. I don't know how many of you have joined a business and your sponsor left you hanging. Comment below if you ever been, part of any type of online business and your sponsor left you hanging. I know I have. So what I want to do is share information with people who, want to start an online business but don't have no guidance. And, you can do this with or without me as your sponsor. So let's jump into it. The first thing you need to have is the mindset. All right, the mindset is the key to success because everything starts with a thought, positive thoughts, and you do positive action behind it daily. You will get positive results. But if you do something, couple days and this don't work, and you just stop promoting the business, you just stop going hard, and you don't be consistent, then you will not have success online. So I don't know if you believe in a law of attraction, but I do. I'm a law of attraction person. I believe in the universe. I believe in waking up, saying affirmations daily, looking at positive videos. I believe in putting my mindset in a place of where I want to be. Stuff will start happening for me and aligning for me in my business, because you can't just jump into a business looking at the money and what it can make. Actually get to know the product, know what you actually have to offer the people, because the questions are going to come. So you have to have the mindset of a business owner. As an entrepreneur, you just have to have that hungry mindset, quick to give up in the beginning when you don't see no commissions that first day, that first week, that first month. Making your first $100 online really is a challenge, but once you make that first 100, it's the same process. They do that. Keep doing that. Stay consistent. Okay. Second thing is leads. I didn't know anything about leads, guys. I seen people talking about it. So you may be someone seeing people saying, hey, this is how you can get free leads to your business. This is how you can get more leads every month. Or you just might see the word leads. Leads is just a fancy word of people interested in your business. They could lead to a sale. Okay, so that's where the word lead come from. There are people that are interested in your business that could lead to a sale. So you always want to have leads, guys, every single day on your product, on your website. You want to have them there. That's how you're going to make money consistently. Okay, it's a numbers game when it comes to online marketing, and a lot of people just don't understand. Okay, now where do you get these leads? You might be asking, where do I get the leads then? Okay, traffic. Now, what is traffic? Traffic is a place where people are coming, okay, to your website. So Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, Craigslist, whatever platform, multiple platforms that you could promote this business to. You also have offline marketing. You have postcards. You have business cards. You can always wait to get traffic. When you are walking into the mall and going into different stores, you are traffic to that store. Okay, just the amount of people that you can get to your website that could buy your product, that's traffic. So the traffic gives you leads. Okay, without traffic, you can't get leads. Okay, so remember that you gotta have traffic coming in daily. So the fourth thing you need to know, guys, is following up with the lead. Okay, now that you have the lead, you have to follow up with them through email marketing. And when I say lead, those are people who put in their email address to get the presentation video that we provide with $25 1UP. And if you don't know what $25 1UP is, it's a digital marketing system that allows you to make 100% instant commissions from $25 to $1,000 per referral. So here in my email follow-up series, I will be promoting this business, my YouTube videos, the offer. I will just be connecting with people through emails. This is a powerful tool to have. I use GetResponse. I will put the link below. You can check it out. It's free for 30 days, so you could set you up an email campaign, and they're on autopilot. So you could be away from your computer, you could be with your family, whatever it is, and your product is still being sold through email marketing. The fifth thing that you should know that I did not know, well, I kind of knew, but it's just one of those, one of those natural things. But reinvest. Put your money back into your business. I was going out to eat. I was buying stuff that I didn't need. I was shopping. I just did not reinvest, and that business ended up burning, going to the ground, because I destroyed the energy that I created. Okay, so once you create energy within inside your business and you're getting good results and you're getting sales, keep that energy going. Don't take the money out. You're going to destroy that energy, and always put that money back into that business and don't take that out. Of course, you want to have fun, but don't just take all of your profit out to, go have fun, and don't put it back to your business, like buying solo ads, buying Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Because the more traffic you get, the more traffic you can get in a day, guys, is the more money you can make. Okay. This is the blueprint of what we do with $25 1UP, and we earn $250 per sale, and it's 100% instant. So if you have a PayPal, Cash App, Stripe account, if you have a Bitcoin wallet, whatever type of processor, guys, you could use in $25 1UP and receive $250 daily from using this system. So we drive traffic to the Done For You website, which is inside the back office. I'm gonna show you here shortly. And once somebody buys the product, guys, we get paid $250 directly. So here's the back office of $25 1UP, and it's just a clean layout. And here is the $250 diamond package or promoting, and this is where we earn $250 per commission. People are getting digital products. Okay, they're getting training, digital lifestyle marketing training. They're getting a 10K blueprint, modern day email marketing. I was just telling you guys about email marketing, and here inside the system you get another training on it. How to sell t-shirts on. Okay, this is how to sell t-shirts. Inside this training, guys, you will learn how to start an online t-shirt business. So you get a lot of value inside of digital product. Okay, you might want to know how to use Facebook Lives effectively. You might always want to do Facebook Lives, but just never knew how to use it. Here you get a whole training inside our system. So what we're doing is providing marketing tools that you can use every single day to help you make money online. And at the diamond level, guys, you also get additional bonuses like the platinum level, which comes Instagram, Facebook, YouTube training, and you also get pre-written ads, guys, to post on your social media to help you make these sales every single day. Now I'm gonna come over here and show you some of the commissions that's been coming in. I'm gonna come over here to my business, and I'm gonna go to my commissions. Here is some of the commissions: 100, 25, 100, 25, 25, and these are instant commissions. You see it say direct, guys. This is directly to you. So any type of process that you have, PayPal, Credit Stripe, Zelle, any type of send and receive money app that you want to use, you could use that, and you could use that with this system. That's what I like about it. So this is a pretty good system to be a part of. So if you want to make this type of income daily, guys, all you have to do is click the link above or below wherever you're watching this video and get started. If you like this content, give this video a thumb up, hit that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.